So the next module here is called Organic Traffic Insights, where basically it's like, as I mentioned in a previous module also, like Google Analytics is a great tracking software for your websites. You can clearly see what your audience is doing, what are the campaign goals, how you can measure, how you can optimize it. Google Analytics also used to provide all the organic keywords which the users are coming through their website couple of years ago. But now Google has limited that data, where now it will not show any they have hidden the keywords which the traffic is coming to, so you can immediately see where the traffic is coming from, which are the most important keywords for you, where that might be useful for you, where SEMrush will try to uncover those hidden keywords which are in Google Analytics by combining all the different data. So we can set that up also. For example, when we click on setup on that, now it's asking me to connect to my Google Analytics account, which I'm going to do now. And you can see I have connected to my account. Now I'm going to select the profile for this. And you can see now I have selected all the different profiles data on this particular. I'm just identifying exactly where is my Google Analytics profile is located. And I'm going to select the database, and I'm going to select the location and as well as the device. And once that is done, I'm just going to click on go to Organic Traffic Insights. Now what it will do is it will try to pull up all the data from my Google Analytics to SEMrush here as well. So I'm going back into the next section until this finish it off, which is, let me open up that. You can see backlink auditing is done, organic is set up. The next one is something called brand monitoring. Brand monitoring is most useful to identify any potential link opportunities, outreach prospects, or for online reputation management. So you always know what's happening around in the internet for your particular brand name. It helps you to identify what essentially it does it. It monitors whatever the words or keywords you give to this particular tool function throughout the entire internet, from websites to social media, comments, discussion, all the places. So I'm going to set up brand monitoring now, where I'm going to click on setup. It will again open up a wizard where now I can type the brand names I want to monitor. For example, digital marketing, mine can be one. And I can also track my own name since this is a personal digital marketing blog. Similarly, I can keep on adding more different words, and I also make sure to include any of the specific words. So in case you have a couple of different words and I want to make sure that any of these words should also make sure to on that particular page include this particular word, then let me know. I can do that. These gives you more extra control on finding the mention. You also have the exclude option as well, or if you want to focus on a specific country, you do have that option as well. I'm going to untick this as well, and I'm going to click on start tracking. Oh sorry, I forgot to select a country. I'm going to do one. Obviously you can select multiple. In this case I'm just going to go with United States, and you can see this also started. Now let me go back to the next section of the tool to set up. Let me wait for it to load, and you can see it started. Now I go into link building tool. Link building tool is where it helps you to create better backlinks by helping you to uncover all the hidden potential backlink outreach possibilities for your website. This is what it does. It analyzes by the competitor or by your website organic potential and gives you potential outreach targets, where you can send them email even through SEMrush in order to reach them or get more details on them. Let me show you how to set it up. If I click on setup, again it will open up a pop-up window for me, where first it asks me what are my target keywords. Just to give you some understanding, yeah, I'm going to do something like digital marketing, could be SEO training, something like WordPress help, I'm just going to do 3 different ones, and now it's asking me to give some competitors to that, so it can identify related competitor list for that. I'm opening up, giving some several of competitors. Just for example, I'm going to put SEMrush as an example because they do have so many great blog posts. I'm going to do that. Moves as an example, ahref example. What it does, it will take key potential outreach possibility or backlink potential targets from the keyword and as well as from the competitor list which you provide here, and it will try to identify potential prospects for you. So once this is done, you can go up to 10 different competitors. I'm just going to limit on 3 and going to click on start, and you can see now it started to identify different prospects for me to look into it. It will also start collecting data. So let me move on to the next module to set it up, and let me wait for it to finish. You can see it